Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have markup and styles. Now make the navbar ready to pin. First, measure the nav height and create a same height placeholder so content won't jump. Once done, add an ID or class for JS targeting. Make sure z-index is higher than page elements. You'll also want background and padding set in CSS so the fixed bar remains readable. This gets you past layout glitches and prepares the element for dynamic position changes when scrolling. You'll implement the core logic next. Use an optimized approach, either a debounced scroll listener or intersection observer to watch when the navbar reaches the top. When crossing the threshold, add a fixed class that applies position, fixed, top, 0, width, 100%, and maintain the original height. Once the navbar returns above the threshold, remove fixed and hide or collapse the placeholder. This prevents reflow issues and keeps scrolling smooth. Avoid heavy work inside the handler to maintain 60 FPS. Finish by polishing visuals and testing across viewports. You should handle responsive width changes and safe area insets on mobile. Update placeholder height on resize. Also ensure anchored links and keyboard focus don't hide under the bar by applying scroll margin top or offset adjustments. If things go wrong, inspect the placeholder height, box sizing, and z-index stacking. These are the usual culprits. Make sure your scroll handler is throttled or use intersection observer to fix jitter and battery drain, and then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.